Okay. Hello. This is the what's inside the white iPhone Part 1A. As you can see, this is for the cover here. So holding the ribbon cable firmly to the motherboard, and there's a metal shelf or both to cover it, with the plastic soft pad to hold them in place. Another water tester on the screw. Here's another one on the motherboard cover. There you go. White cable female plug. The ear plug. There you go. So this cable is the front camera, and these two, I didn't know what that is. One is ear plug, must be, and the other one, it's not the head, it's not the speakerphone, but gonna guess. For this one should be the touch, and for this is the LCD HD display. There you go.